abstract classes. We're going to talk about abstract class. Remember in your English class when you had to learn the difference between an abstract noun and a concrete noun, where an abstract noun is one that it doesn't exist in the real world, while concrete things are things that do exist in the world. So bravery is abstract, while puppies are concrete. It's the same idea for Java. So we can have classes in Java that are abstract, and what that specifically means is that you cannot create an instance of an abstract class. And the way you create them is just like a regular class. We're going to call this a widget class, and then just going to click here on the abstract button there, click finish, and there you go. So I just created an abstract class, and all it does is it adds this keyword here, abstract, to the class. And so what that means is that now if I do widget W is a new widget, it's not going to like that because widget is abstract. So it's going to say you cannot instantiate the type widget because it's abstract. If I got rid of that, then it would work just fine. And there it is. So that would be fine. But we want an abstract for now. And within an abstract class, it's just like a regular class mostly. You can say public in xcord, public in ycore. But you can also you can have methods too, like public get xcore, public int get xcore. And but you might also have the public abstract, say void do action. Oops, I didn't want to do that. That's what I wanted to do. So you can have also abstract methods. So you can have regular methods like this one, but you can also have abstract methods that don't have a body. So this is just like in the interface declarations. All you have is the signature of the method and the abstract keyword. Abstract. And so, yeah, that's not going to work because that's abstract. So this is fine. And you can have any number of abstract methods like that. And so you might be wondering, okay, well, if I do that, then, how do I use this? So what's the point of an abstract class if I cannot instantiate it? Well, the real reason we have these is so that we can then write another class. So we're going to call it the button class. And that is going to extend the widget class. And that is not going to be abstract. So the button class extends my widget class. And you see what it did, Java's Eclipse already put in this one method, the do action method, because it knows, hey, I'm going to be extending the widget class. The widget class has one abstract method, do action. So thus, you button, you must implement these methods. So basically, an abstract method within an abstract class works exactly the same as an interface. It's just a method that must be implemented, in this case, by the class that extends the widget, right? So because of that, so that means that I have to put some code in here to do that. And then going back up here, of course, I still cannot instantiate the widget class, you cannot do that. No. That's the whole point of an abstract class, is that is impossible. But I can, however, do this. I can create a new instance of a button. And that will be fine. That'll work just fine. So why do we have abstract classes? Well, this is when you're writing bigger programs, you might use them. So generally an abstract class will be like the top, and if you have a hierarchy of classes, the top one might be an abstract class because you don't want anybody to instantiate that class. There's some more complicated reasons why you might want that. So for small programs, it doesn't make sense, but when you get to building bigger programs, they come in handy.